Okay, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make the lemon pepper kebabs over a bed of rice. Okay guys, so when we used to be serving this dish in the restaurant, we always had this chicken which was already skewered. So what I'm going to do is, like we are making our kebabs, put this. Now what we can do is also flash fry this if you want to. Okay, so it gives a good flavor to it, but you'll see you don't need to overcook this a lot because we're gonna cook it in the oven now with some sauce. In this case, I'm gonna put a big skewer. The reason is we're gonna eat it at home, so big skewers is no problem. Okay, one more chicken. And this pepper. Here we go. So you put this like this and put this here. So make 6 of them like this and repeat the same process, and then I will show you what to do with this once we're done. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You can either eat this lemon pepper, this thing is kebabs, or you can make this fantastic kind of recipe and you can pour this sauce on top of it like this. Not too much sauce, otherwise it will just get too runny. And all on this thing, and then put it in the oven at 250 degrees for about 10 minutes, where all the peppers and the onion will get cooked in it. So what I'm gonna do is now just cover this up. You saw my sauce, not very runny. Just cover this up, put it in my oven for about 10 minutes at 250 degrees, and you will see it when I get it out from the oven. Okay guys, so now this is 10 minutes. We took it out from the oven. Look at this. Oh my god, this is what, look at that. It's nicely cooked, and what you gotta do is just take it off here and place this right here. And this is on a bed of basmati rice. Look at this beautiful rice which is there on our channel, and just pour the sauce on it. Voila! Okay guys, so we're gonna taste our lemon pepper chicken with this immaculate sauce. Let me taste the sauce. I love. Wow, it's so good. It is gonna taste well with the chicken, I'm very sure. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!